Look around you. The majestic landscapes, the vibrant ecosystems, the air we breathe. Our Earth is a masterpiece, but are we proud of what we've done to it? These once pristine places are now battlegrounds, casualties of our own actions. Climate change fueled by our existence is wreaking havoc. It's scary how we've unintentionally become architects of our own demise. But there's hope, and it starts with us. Now it is the time to open our eyes, to be aware of the impact of our choices. 7 billion dreams, one planet, consumed with care. Join the movement against climate change. Let's restore, heal, and protect our home. Because together, we can create the futures where our children look around and say, we're proud of what we've done.